25 years ago, we wanted to start a company that was socially responsible. We wanted to provide more comprehensive training. So we take a 2-week training program that the federal government mandates, and we turned it into a 5-week training program. We started to create this stable workforce. In addition to that, we also made it very unique in that we decided to make it a co-op. Our motto is quality job leads to quality care. The biggest indicator of a stable workforce is your turnover rate. The turnover rate in our industry ranges between 50 and 60%. Okay? At Cooperative, our turnover rate usually hovers around 20%. There's lots of things that go into what is considered to be stable. It's not just about staying on the job for a certain number of years. It's being able to have adequate child care. It's about having adequate health insurance. All those things on a day-to-day basis lends itself to that person being able to go to work on a consistent basis. So the turnover rates in terms of your annual turnover rate is one measurement, but also how much support you're giving. For example, one of the things that we do is we have a whole workforce development division within the company. People have to be able to exist. People have to be able to feed their families, have adequate health insurance, live in adequate housing, and to do that, there has to be a certain minimum in terms of the salaries. And there has to be a change in the culture within the home care industry as it relates to paraprofessional services. We do have to start to try to look at the workforce in terms of a stable workforce. We do have to look at developing what we've developed here at Cooperative, which is a culture of retention. We do have to develop, I think, a more of a worker-centered environment within the home care industry.